Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about the madness of piñatas that occur on every Easter Sunday. As always, if you need more information, you can click into any of the links in the descriptive box below, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com that has for sale all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series, including one just on Easter. Celebrating Jesus' resurrection features huge piñatas that explode over the town square. The piñatas feature politicians, Judas, and celebrities. I don't know why that was a hard word today. Celebrities not in good public favor, whose dismembered paper body parts are quickly gathered by local children and sold to vendors. It's an emotional release from all the solemnities surrounding the time leading up to Easter, an exciting celebration of Jesus' resurrection. Officially, Easter begins on Saturday night. Many will attend a wake for Jesus, go home for a large dinner, and return for late in the evening Easter Mass. The church is engulfed in darkness until one lit candle begins the moving transformation to a fully candlelit church signifying Jesus' resurrection. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.